Are you looking for the best cribs for twins 2022? In this video we will look at some of the best cribs for twins 2022 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Joovy Room 2 Twin Nursery. The Joovy Room 2 Twin Nursery Center is the perfect accessory for the Room 2 playard. This practical accessory is easy to install, and it is great for use with one baby, twins, and multiples. It has a large bassinet ready to hold twins up to 15 lbs each, or 30 lbs total. A removable center divider zips into place to give each baby a separate napping area. Please discontinue use when babies start to lift themselves up. The Room 2 Twin Nursery Center includes a changing table that supports a baby up to 25 lbs. The surface is removable and machine washable. When not in use, the changing table flips over the side of the playard to keep out of the way. Playard is sold separately. The changing pad flips over the side and out of the way so babies can lay and play, and the included pad is 100% machine washable. The fabric material on this product can be cleaned using mild household soap or detergent and warm water on a sponge or clean cloth. Changing table flips to side for storage, easy to attach and remove. At number 2. Simmons Kids by the Bed City Sleeper. Keep your newborn twins close with the Simmons Kids by the Bed Twin City Sleeper Bassinet. The bassinet's modern Z-shaped frame is outfitted with wheels, so you can easily slide the base under your bed, giving your babies a safe, separate sleep space that's still close to you and each other. Perfect for all mothers, especially those who are breastfeeding or recovering from C-sections. This bassinet's sturdy, adjustable base with 5 height levels fits next to almost any bed, and keeps your baby at eye level, so you can easily soothe and tend to them during their first few months. Mesh sides provide a clear view and help with airflow. For your ease, storage pockets provide space for burp clothes, small toys or pacifiers. The twin bedside sleeper of your dreams, the Simmons Kids by the Bed Twin City Sleeper Bassinet allows you to feel close and connected to your little ones in the safest way possible. This bassinet is recommended for babies 0 to 5 months. Stop use at 5 months or once your infant begins to push up on their hands and knees, whichever comes first. At number 3. Baby Trend Twin Nursery. Baby Trend Twin Nursery. Why it's great. This playard and bassinet set is going to be so helpful when raising twin babies. It's reported to last for the first 2 years of life. The bassinets are removable, and it comes with an organizer console and a large changing table. This is a really great space saver and keeps everything you might need in one place. It's easy to assemble and the size of the playard itself is larger than most, which makes it perfect for twin babies. The soft lining of the bassinets is made of mesh, which is a relief for many parents who don't want to worry about their twins breathing safely. Keep in mind, while this nursery comes with many amazing attachments, you cannot use both the bassinets and some of the attachments at the same time. Both bassinets are removable, so you can just switch it out should you ever want to use a different attachment. The Baby Trend Retreat Twins Nursery Center Playard is the perfect solution for parents with twins. It features 2 removable rockabye bassinets side by side, with their own canopy and carry handle, plush fabric and mesh sides for proper ventilation for removability. Each bassinet includes 2 toys. The playard includes a removable full bassinet, changing table, a deluxe parent organizer. Easy one-hand locking mechanism makes the playard stable, and it can be moved from place to place with large wheels and secured with brakes. Also included is a convenient travel /storage tote bag. Your baby will enjoy the electronic music center with volume control, nightlight, and vibration, which includes 2 styles of music and nature sounds. Items in the parent organizer are not included. At number 4. Halo BassiNest Twin Sleeper. Halo BassiNest Twin Sleeper. Why it's great. This twin bassinet is the perfect sleeper for newborn twins. It has room for 2, with a mesh panel between them to keep them safe. The mesh walls are breathable and allow the twins to see each other. The whole thing swivels and rotates, making it easy for you to check on or access either child while you're in bed at night. The height is adjustable, so you have them at the same level as the bed. On top of that, the sides fold down, so you can easily get to your baby, without having to lift them out of the bassinet. It also comes with everything you'll need to keep your baby snug and comfy, with 2 waterproof mattress pads, 2 polyester sheets, and 2 cotton sheets. Plus, it vibrates, plays music, and even has a nightlight built in. Keep in mind, this is only for the first 5 months of life, but it's perfect for keeping your babies close when they need you the most. At number 5. The DaVinci Kalani Convertible Crib. Beautifully made and incredibly versatile, our Kalani 4-in-1 crib features gentle curves and sturdy construction that can be converted for use as a toddler bed, day bed and full-sized bed. Constructed from 100% natural solid New Zealand pine wood, this GreenGuard Gold certified crib makes a safe and eco-conscious sleep haven for your little one. Safe, sturdy, and easy to assemble, the Kalani crib has been one of the highest rated and best-selling cribs for over 10 years. From the manufacturer, Kalani is cool and confident. It's DaVinci at its best. With first-class engineering, the Kalani collection gives you a lifetime of style. It's cool. It's Kalani. At DaVinci, we build not just clean, non-toxic nurseries but green, non-toxic worlds. That's why environmental sustainability and energy efficiency are the DaVinci family values. Each stylish collection is constructed from New Zealand pine grown in sustainable forests. Built with non-toxic finishes for perfect safety and reliability, the DaVinci collections are also shipped smart to reduce our carbon footprint. So take a deep breath and know that the DaVinci choice is the best choice all around, for babies inside places and babies outside spaces. At number 6. Babyletto Hudson Convertible Crib. Babyletto Hudson 3-in-1 Convertible Crib. Why it's great. This is a stunning crib that is so aesthetically pleasing that it would match any nursery style, especially since it comes in 7 different color options. Its modern design is so very eye-catching, making it quite popular for many families. The size of the crib is very convenient for twin parents because it is rather compact. You could easily fit 2 into 1 nursery or have lots of space for other furniture if the twins have separate rooms. It also comes with a toddler rail and can be converted to a toddler bed or a daybed as your children get older. Keep in mind, the packaging it comes in isn't the most secure, so double check that nothing got damaged during delivery before putting it together. The best-selling Hudson 3-in-1 crib combines modern design with mid-century inspiration. With an included conversion kit to go from crib to toddler bed to daybed, Hudson is built to last, made with sustainable pine wood and GreenGuard Gold certified. From the manufacturer, the Hudson 3-in-1 convertible crib converts to both a toddler bed, rail included, and daybed, and is solidly built from sustainable New Zealand pine wood. Whether you prefer a contemporary or time-honored palette for your nursery, Hudson has you covered. Choose between a modern grey crib, clean white or natural, or a new take on family-friendly white /espresso two-tone. Takes a standard full-size crib mattress at least 51.625 x 27.25 inches and no more than 6 inches thick. At number 7. The DaVinci Dylan Folding Portable Mini Crib. The DaVinci Dylan Folding Portable 3-in-1 Mini Crib. Why it's great. This crib is a perfect choice for twins because it's small and doesn't take up much space, and it can be folded up easily when not in use. It also has wheels on the bottom and can fit through doorways, so it's easy to move from one room to the other as needed. It has for different height settings, so it grows with your children. Plus, it can convert into a twin-size bed as your babies get older. It comes in 2 different color options and both are neutral enough to match most nursery decorations. The Dylan Folding Portable Mini Crib is the perfect fit for urban living or to leave at grandparents' home. Its smaller size and rolling wheels allow you to move the crib freely throughout the home. The Dylan's folding functionality allows you to easily store the crib when not in use or to take with you when you travel. This mini crib is both durable and lightweight and converts to a twin bed to grow with your baby beyond the nursery years. At number 8. Delta Children Lancaster Convertible Crib. Delta Children Lancaster 4-in-1 Convertible Crib. Why it's great. This crib comes in 3 beautiful colors, so you're sure to find one that will match the nursery. It has an adjustable height, which is great for the baby's first year, and has the ability to convert into a toddler bed, day bed, and full-size bed later on down the road. Its beautiful design is incredibly sturdy and it's made of high-quality wood. Having a crib that can last you through the years may be a good thing to invest in, as it will save you money later on. Keep in mind, this one can be difficult to put together on your own, so make sure you have someone to help you. Welcome baby home with the Lancaster 4-in-1 convertible baby crib from Delta Children. Rolled arms with a decorative rosette accent and sleigh-style silhouette make this classic crib a timeless choice. Designed to grow with your little one, this baby crib features 3 mattress heights that allow you to lower the crib mattress as your child begins standing. Then, once your child is ready to make the move to a big kid bed, this crib converts into a toddler bed, day bed and full-size bed to accommodate each stage of their life. Daybed rail included, toddler guardrail and full-size bed rails sold separately. A great value, the Lancaster 4-in-1 convertible crib from Delta Children is the only bed your child will ever need. Available in grey, Bianca white and dark chocolate. Coordinates with other items in the Lancaster collection from Delta Children. Delta Children was founded around the idea of making safe, high-quality cribs affordable for all families. That's why all Delta Children cribs are JPMA certified, and are tested above and beyond industry standards. At number 9. Dream on Me Chelsea Convertible Crib. The delightful Chelsea 5-in-1 convertible crib is a timeless crib that grows with your child, a constant companion from childhood to young adulthood. Versatile conversion options allow it to meet your child's changing needs. It transitions from a crib to toddler bed, day bed, and full-size bed with effortless ease. Toddler guardrail, stabilizer, full-size rail and bed frame sold separately. It offers the convenience of 4 mattress height positions, which can be adjusted according to the age of your baby. Built of durable, sustainable and renewable New Zealand pine wood, its flowing sleigh design is at home in any baby or growing child's room. A mix of curved and straight lines, it is available in 6 classic finishes and sits low to the floor, allowing ease of access to your child. All our cribs are designed with a focus on safety, are JPMA certified and meet all applicable ASTM/CPSC standards. All tools for assembly included. It measures 5'3" x 29" x 38" inches, maximum weight capacity is 50 lbs. For the best fit, we recommend any Dream on Me /Evolar standard, full-size, non-toxic, Green Guard Gold certified crib mattress, sold separately. Keep in mind, this one isn't as high of quality as some of the others, but it's perfectly functional and pretty to boot.